In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert table of figures in WPS Office. To get started, open your WPS file and make sure the document you want to work on is ready. Before you can create a table of figures, WPS needs something to reference, which means your pictures or tables should already have captions attached to them. This is an important step because the table of figures is automatically built from those captions. Begin by selecting the picture or table you want to include. Once it's selected, go to the References tab at the top of the screen. From there, click Captions and a dialog box will appear. In that box, add the caption text you want to use. You'll also need to choose the correct label depending on the type of content. For example, you can choose table, image, figure, or equation. Make sure you pick the label that matches the item, because this affects how your table of figures will be organized later. You can also choose the position of the caption, then click OK to apply it. Repeat that process for each picture or table you want included. Taking a moment to caption everything properly will help keep your document neat and professional, especially if you're working on a report, a thesis, or any document with multiple visuals. Once your captions are in place, move your cursor to the location where you want the table of figures to appear. This is often placed on a new page near the beginning or the end of the document, depending on the format you're following. Next, go back to the References tab and click Insert Table of Figures. This opens another dialog box where you can customize how the table will look. In the settings, choose the caption label you want the table to pull from. You can select None, Table, Image, Figure, or Equation, depending on what you want to list. This is helpful if you only want to create a table for one type of object, such as figures only or tables only. You'll also see options to show page numbers, right-align page numbers, and use hyperlinks. These settings can make the table easier to read and navigate, especially in longer digital documents. You can also choose a tab leader style, which controls the line or spacing between the caption text and the page number. After reviewing your settings, click OK. WPS Office will then generate the table of figures for you automatically. And that's it. You've successfully inserted a table of figures in WPS Office.